Hi, my people. Welcome back to 100 Days of Data with Miss Mailiana. Is day 41, and today we are going to be looking at the final dashboard we've created, right? An interactive dashboard, right? Creating an interactive dashboard. So, all that we've learned throughout has we've gathered all together, and that is going to give us an interactive dashboard. So let's look at how it flows, or how we say an interactive dashboard is on our Power BI. All right, so let's get into it. All right, so our simple dashboard actually is very interactive. What makes it interactive is our slicers here. So our slicers is focusing on two major things, which are the job row or job level, and then the field of study. So you can see the number of we can see the average number of we can see the average number of or we can see the number of people that are in that studied at and are in the entry level role, which is 32. And we can use mid, so we can move about in our chat so easily as well. All right, so that is actually um interactive dashboard. So as I now have picked only business, and we can see the average number. Also, we can see that only females are even are in the business field. You can see that happening as well. Computer science, only females. Wait, let's take it back again. Control. Only females are in the senior role studied business, as you can see, and there are six. Do you get? Right. So that is being interactive. Yeah, interactive. Like your dashboard is very interactive. If you ask me why it's demanding my sign in, sign out, I don't know. There's no internet connection, so I am not able to sign in because I already have an account, but it needs the internet, so that's why it's giving me that as well. But that's actually an interactive dashboard. So you can create multiple dashboards, and also you can use your filter to make it you can use your slicers to make it very interactive as well, and also you can use your drill through to make it also interactive, but you have to take a better understanding and deep dive into drill through to be able to make it more interactive and get into deeper analysis, right? Or deeper business analytics as well. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share it to a friend. Thank you for being part of this journey. Let's hit 100. In fact, at this point, I'm sure we've hit 100 subscribers. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And the goal is to be 1,000 learners by end of 2026. So let's do that. All right. Thank you so much for watching. And it's bye for learning, and it's bye for now.